Hi, my name is Craig Sandifer. I'm Vice President for Technology at Genesis. Today we're going to talk about PersulfOx, Catalyzed Persulfate, with our inline pump here, an H25, and I'm going to be mixing it in a 250, 300 gallon tank with approximately 125 gallons of water. We need to have proper personal protection. For me today, that's going to be steel-toed boots, eye protection, and a dust mask. For you, on your sites, you should be consulting your health and safety officer. Now, my mixing configuration today is composed of an inline pump and a lighted mixer, vortex mixer. And your options are many. You can just use a vortex mixer, or you can just use an inline mixer. Your goal is to recirculate and move the material to solubilize this material. It takes about 15 minutes to do that, and whether you use a vortex mixer or an inline pump to do that, it's completely up to you and your configuration and your needs. Okay, a little more detail on the mixing side. I've preloaded 125 gallons of water into our 300 gallon tank. So here's our water level, and you can see everything is connected up to our pump from the tank. We have influent and effluent out of the pump. And we've also added a lightning mixer. This is just a traditional vortex mixer. So we'll use both the inline pumping machine as well as the vortex mixer to mix up our PersulfOx. Now, in most applications, the field personnel should allow themselves roughly 15 to 20 minutes to mix a batch of PersulfOx. So, given this kind of setup, count on about 15 to 20 minutes. In this next segment, I'm going to show you how I load PersulfOx to create a 15% solution. Load that into water, and as with all the oxidants, you need to use proper PPE. So I'm going to put on a dust mask, and I'll show you what I consider to be best practices for loading PersulfOx to create the 15% solution. Now, the bag I'm going to be using today is our preferred packaging. It's 55.1 pounds or 25 kilo bags of PersulfOx. So I've been mixing our 15% PersulfOx solution for about 10 minutes or so. Now we're almost where we need to be on the material. As you can see, it's very soluble, 100% soluble. And after you're about 15 minutes of mixing, you should be ready to go.